Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with 6-cylinder engine such as engine guys N51 N52 and you guys have problems with your crankcase breather ventilation valve guys, also known as oil separator, we will guys show you today where it's located, how to get to it and what needs to be done to remove and replace it guys. Everything from start to finish. That engine, the straight 6-cylinder N51 N52 engine, has been used in BMW guys, 1 series, 3 series, 5 series, 6 series, X3, X5 guys, and even X1. Super popular engine guys. One of the most popular engines you can think of, built between year 2005 and year 2015. So we will show you guys where the oil separator breather valve is located and how to get to it. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos, but specifically guys on BMWs, we will make more than 400-500 videos. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. So this right here guys is a 2006 BMW guys, 325i, but even if you have 328, 330 guys, or even if you have 525, 528 multiple guys, or the 128s, the procedure will be the same. So this is guys the engine right here. Now things to start with. Okay, now before we even start working on it guys, disconnect your car battery, because we'll be working close to the engine starter, and if you touch negative, okay, the positive wire of the starter to a negative ground somewhere on the engine, you can see sparks flying. You can damage your electrical system, engine, computer, relays, fuses, okay, things that could cost you quite a bit of money and headache to fix guys. Okay, how we know that? Because we did something like that in the past that cost us quite a bit of money. So disconnect the car battery the correct way. We will put the link in the description of the video below guys, the link to our video which battery terminal you need to disconnect first on a car. Okay, first safely disconnecting and reconnecting the car battery. Once you guys do all that, you will need to guys remove your intake manifold. So in order to remove the intake manifold, air filter box will need to come out, and you will need to remove the intake manifold. If you don't know how to do that, we have the video, okay, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. We demonstrated on BMW 3 Series N52 engine how to remove the intake manifold. Once you guys do all that, okay, once you do all that, we can get to the point guys, okay, that we guys have, okay, that valve right here, and this is guys your crankcase breather valve. Okay, how it takes how it functions, let me show you. It has a bottom hose, okay, that goes to the, okay, right here, this is to the oil pan of the vehicle. It has an upper hose that goes to the valve cover. Okay, this goes to the valve cover. The other one goes to the, actually to the bottom one goes to the oil pan. This is the valve cover, this is the valve itself. It does its magic guys, and it pulls vacuum from the intake manifold. Okay, you can see it has 2 more hoses. So the whole system consists of this hose right here, this hose here, okay, that valve here, and upper and lower hose guys. So not very complicated at all. Now if you guys need help with anything else, just let us know guys. We'll have a video that explains the symptoms of a bad valve, something super important. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to fix anything like that. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.